प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, नमस्कार। माई सेल्फ SK Rajput, and today we will discuss very simple topic: difference between metals and non-metals. You all know metals like sodium, potassium, iron, copper, zinc. All these are metals. Non-metal, suppose we are writing here oxygen, nitrogen, any halogen just like chlorine, hydrogen. These all are non-metals. And to remember difference between metal and non-metal, I am writing a very simple trick that MDMSCH double OM school. MDM school. Suppose any school, Mohandas Memorial School, any school, this is a school. So trick is MDM school, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 difference you can write by help of this trick. MDM school. Simple. First point. So I am writing here point M. M means malleability. So point malleability. The malleability means by applying pressure, formation of long sheet. If we apply pressure on metal, they convert into long sheet. This process is called malleability. So metals are malleable and non-metals are non-malleable. No exceptional case. First point complete. D. The second point is D. D stands for ductility. Ductility means if we apply force in horizontally, otherwise we stretch these metals convert into long thin wire. The formation of wire by metal process is called ductility. And we know that metals are ductile, means by metal we can form long wire. Suppose wire of copper, wire of iron, wire of aluminium. But non-metal does not show ductility, means they are not ductile. No exceptional case. Clear? Point number third, M. Third point again M. M means melting point. The melting point and boiling point of metals are very high. But the melting point and boiling point of non-metals are very less. Maximum non-metals are in gaseous state. Some metals are solid, just like carbon, sulfur. These are non-metal. Iodine exists in solid state. But maximum non-metal present in gaseous form. So their melting boiling point is very less. There is an exceptional case. Listen. Have you listened about some metal just like Ga? Ga is called gallium. Another is Cs. Cs is called cesium. So cesium and gallium, these are metals and their melting point is very less. These are metal, exceptional case. And you know also Hg. Hg is mercury, it exists at room temperature in liquid state. So got the meaning of point, this point, melting point, high and less, there are some exceptional cases. Point number this S. Fourth point. S means sonority. The sonority means when we hit metals, they produce sound. The producing of sound, this phenomenon is called sonority. So metals are sonorous, non-metals are not sonorous, and no exceptional case. Next point, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is fifth point. The fifth point is C. C means conductor. Metals are good conductor of heat and also good conductor of current, both. Just like copper is a good conductor. The best conductor is silver. Silver is good best conductor of temperature, also in current. But non-metal are non-conductor. Exceptional cases. Have you listened about graphite? The nib of pencil is made by graphite. And graphite made by carbon. This is the allotrope of carbon. Carbon is non-metal, but this is conductor. Graphite is non-metal, but this is conductor of current. H. Point 6. H means hardness. All the metals are very hard, just like iron, chromium, manganese. Non-metals are soft, but in exceptional cases, two different exceptional cases. Listen, sodium, potassium, these are metals, but these are very soft metals. We can cut by knife. Sodium and potassium are metals. They can cut because these are very soft. But listen, another example, diamond. Exceptional case. Diamond is again new allotrope of carbon. This is allotrope of carbon means this is non-metal, but this is very hard. Carbon compound, carbon allotrope, diamond is very hard. It is non-metal. Listen again. Sodium, potassium are metal. They are soft, but diamond is non-metal, and this is very hard. Exceptional case. Next point. 5th, 6th, 7th point. The 7th point O means ore forming. Metals form ore and obtained from mines. Suppose, have you listened? Al2O3.2H2O. This is the ore of aluminium. And these are maximum metals form ore and their ore obtained from mines. But non-metal does not form any ore. 8th point. This O means oxide nature. Suppose this is magnesium oxide. We know magnesium is metal. This is oxide. The nature of magnesium oxide, if we are dissolving in water this compound, it gives magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide is base. We can say the oxide of metal are basic means alkaline in medium. If you are dissolving oxide of any metal, if it dissolve and form base, so it become alkaline. Maximum metal form alkaline solution, just like sodium oxide, potassium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, but non-metal. Suppose, listen, this is sulfur dioxide, this is oxide of non-metal, and we are dissolving this compound in water. After dissolving, it forms sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is acid. Suppose this is CO2, this is oxide of carbon, non-metal, we are dissolving in water. After dissolving, this forms this. So when we dissolve CO2 in water, in cold drink, CO2 gas exists inside water in the form of H2CO3. This is carbonic acid in form of acid. So what can say? We can say this oxide of non-metal are acidic in nature and no exception case. The last point, 9th means luster. So maximum metals have a specific sign. This sign is called luster, and non-metals are not lusters. But there are some examples. What example? This is iodine. I2 is non-metal, and iodine have sign. Non-metal and have sign. Also diamond. Diamond is non-metal, but it is in with signing. So I am quickly revising. Very simple trick. MDMSCH school. Quick. First, M malleable, not malleable. Ductility, these are ductile, means wire formation, non-ductile. M melting point, very high, very less melting point. But gallium and cesium, these are metal, and their melting point is very less. Mercury is in liquid state. CSS sonority means produce sound. C means conductor of current and heat. H hardness. O means ore forming. Next O means oxide, and N means luster. Luster means sign. Thank you for watching.